Hello students, I hope you all are doing well at home, study well, stay healthy and eat healthy. I hope you all have purchased your SST books, which is Word Watch, going to tell you about Islamabad, which is the first unit from your book. Our beloved country Pakistan, it has the capital city Islamabad and it is located to the south of the Margalla Hills in the north of Pakistan. It was built in 1960s to become the new capital of Pakistan, replacing Karachi. It is the model city of what other modern Pakistani cities should look like. The area of the Islamabad is very green with lot of trees and vegetation. It is the very old city and very important city. It is also the headquarters of Pakistan Armed Forces. It is oftenly known as its twin city. There are many places to visit and there are many things to do and enjoy in Islamabad. For example, the Shah Faisal Mosque, which is the largest mosque, and the Parliament House, Monument, and the Margalla Hills. The Margalla Hills, they are the foothills of the Himalayas. Part of the area has been made into a national park. Some other animals are also found there. For example, monkeys, jackal, and eagles. Let's talk about the people of Islamabad. More than 1 million of people, they live there. And most of the people are Muslims, some are Christians and Hindus too. People, they have come from many other parts of the Pakistan to live there. There are many schools and colleges and universities in Islamabad. As Islamabad is the capital city, so it is the home to the President and Prime Minister of Pakistan. Islamabad has a hot and humid summers and mild wet winters. The hottest months are May, June and July. That's all for today. For any queries, you can email me and make an assignment from your home. Mention the places which you have visited recently. Thank you.